Yeah. Yeah, I'm just, I thought we could try one of those, like, ambient soundtracks.
Oh, I don't know if I'll be able to go to sleep to it, but...
It's city sounds. They recorded it live in an apartment in Queens. It's really, I've heard wonderful things.
All right, well, we'll try it for you.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Hey, shut the fuck up! She's touching in the chest now. Keep it up. Let me go.
Who's gonna be here?
Okay, I don't know, Carly. I asked Chris, and he said it was probably the third floor on probably 5th Street. So I think we're in the right place. Like, I told you that it was a possibility that this was where we were.
Ask Chris.
Yeah. I don't know. If
That's
what you
fucking
would like,
stupid,
Carly.
Jenny!
But you're a loser.
Focus! It's fine, but we're already half an hour late. Timmy's gonna be there. I don't want some slut getting all up on him before I get there, okay?
All right, well, if you don't think it's on the 3rd floor, then let's check the 4th floor.
Oh, it's a good evening. Is it a good evening for you? I'm on this stool.
What the fuck are you doing here, Olga? I need silence.
You know what I'm. This is my house.
I want
you piece of shit.
one break from you, Olga. One break. There are 6 screaming little American children there. Those are not my children. I am no kid. You are Yakov White. You are white. You are my mother. I left her in Russia for a reason, Olga. Oh, you are my mother, Olga. No, I did not. I left that in Russia. I left that shit in Russia. Fuck off! Fuck off! Get on my stool with my mouth.
Oh my God!
Do you not hear it? This is not soothing.
I do not know what is wrong with this tape. Hey man, you just listen.
No, man. You trying to get some?
Hey man, listen. I think you're selling on my birthday. Listen.
You think I'm selling your You think I'm selling something?
Ah! What are you doing, man?
Oh, yeah, you like this? You like that? No! Hey, this is for you! This is for you!
This is
for you! Hey, happy birthday, motherfucker!
You know what? Now I hear it. Now I hear it. Right, I didn't hear it before, but now I hear it. I'll turn it off, okay?
Anything is better than this.
I'll turn it off. Can we just... It's a whole album. Can we try the next track? It's whale sounds.
Anything.
It's whale sounds.
All right, sounds great.
I heard they recorded this in Alaska, so it should be good.